the word still to indicate continuity or persistence. Still life, still going, still here. She painted a beautiful still life with fruit and flowers. Even after all these years, he's still going strong. Are you still here? I thought you left. To indicate silence or lack of movement, be still, sit still, still waters. The doctor told him to be still while he examined his leg. It's hard for the children to sit still during a long meeting. The still waters of the lake were perfect for kayaking, to express a lack of change or progress. Still the same, still not, still haven't. Even after the long meeting, the situation is still the same. He's still not feeling better after the medication. I still haven't finished my homework, to indicate time or delay. Still waiting for, still to come. We are still waiting for the results of the exam. There's a lot more still to come in the meeting. He is still waiting for the package to arrive, to express emphasis or degree. Still more, still better, still the best. The team performed even still more impressively in the finals. The cake was still better than I expected. After all these years, it's still the best restaurant in town. To indicate calmness or peacefulness, still moment, stillness, still and quiet. They enjoyed a still moment by the fireplace. The stillness of the night was peaceful. The room was still and quiet, perfect for meditation.